Hello everyone. I thought I'd make a quick video to address a question being asked on Dyson's social media channels, certainly on their Facebook and Instagram pages. Dyson, of course, have been promoting their brand new V15 and especially the new laser detect nozzle and the anti-tangle screw head. A lot of people have been asking, are these new nozzles compatible with older Dyson cleaners? And Dyson are saying, no, they're not. They're exclusively for the V15. I'd like to address that. I did show you in the video I did of this machine a few days ago, but I'm going to do a separate video because people have been asking me, and I think Dyson are giving out false information. So I'll put my V15 to one side and show you my V10 fitted with the laser detect fluffy head. Let's see if it works. It works fine, fits fine as well, and it also fits on the end of the wand, not just onto the cleaner, obviously. Here is my standard V11 fitted with the anti-tangle screw head. And as you can see, that works fine as well. And finally, I've got my V11 outsize fitted with the anti-tangle comb head, the main carpet and floor nozzle. So as you can see, the three new heads that come with the Dyson V15 are compatible with the V10, the V11 and the V11 outsize. I'm not sure if they'll be compatible with the V7 or V8. I think they have a different fitting. But certainly if you've got a V10 onwards and want to upgrade your nozzles, you can do, providing you can find them in stock. Dyson list this on their website as a buy alone accessory for £65, but it's out of stock at the time of making the video. And I believe the anti-tangle screw head is £35, but again, that's out of stock. Also, you can buy this. I'm not sure how much it was, but this was available as an optional extra for the V15, again, out of stock. Don't let Dyson tell you these won't fit, because they do fit and they do work satisfactorily. They work as they should. Now, if Dyson turn around, I don't know if they will, but if they turn around and say, your guarantee will be void if you use a V15 nozzle on an earlier machine. Well, if they do say that, I don't know if they have said that, I'm just preempting what they might say. If they do say that, I just think that's rubbish. How can using an official Dyson accessory that fits, it's the same fitting as the V10, V11, how can that invalidate the warranty on, say, your standard V11? It shouldn't. And it's just possibly, you know, to be fair, it could just be they've got false information and I don't realise that you can fit these nozzles to older machines, or they're deliberately saying that to make people upgrade to a V15 instead of, you know, keeping their V10 or V11 outsize. So I thought I'd address that because I got sick of responding to people on Facebook and Instagram correcting what Dyson are saying. So I thought, right, I'll make the video separate. I can guarantee and prove that they work. Certainly they work on mine. These are the UK versions. I can't see that the American versions, or whatever country you're in, I can't see them being different. If you haven't seen the video on this, it's on my channel. I have been using this a lot around my house, and that's normal dirt from cleaning. It's been emptied a couple of times. I think it's pretty good. But if you haven't got the money to upgrade and you want to get one of these new nozzles, it is possible to fit them to your older cleaners. If you have any comments or questions about the new V15 Detect or fitting them to your Dyson, please comment below. Stay tuned. I have yet another brand new Dyson to show you, possibly later today or tomorrow. It depends when the delivery comes, if I've got time to do a video today. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye for now.